Exhale. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. One final deep breath in and slowly going deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper. Feeling relaxed, feeling more and more comfortable. This point onwards, I just want you to visualize. Use your own imagination, use your own intelligence, and I want you to visualize that your first name is completely forgotten. You have forgotten your name. Whenever I ask you what is your name, you will not remember your name simply because you do not remember your name. Whenever I ask your name, you will not be able to say the name simply because you do not remember your name. I have your name. And then I will give you that later. But till that point, you do not remember your name. Nod your head if you understand. That's right, that's it. Let it happen, make it happen. Use your own intelligence, use your own imagination. You have done so far so good, very nice. We will keep moving with this. On the count of three, you will let your eyes open. 1, 2, 3. Eyes open. And once again, what was your name? That's right. It's okay. It's okay. You know this muffler. This is exactly a problem. If you take off this muffler, can you just take it off? See, this muffler is actually remembering you. When you hold this muffler, you will remember your name. But as I take off this muffler, you will not remember your name. Okay? Just focus. Focus on the muffler. Focus on the muffler. This muffler has your name. When you hold this in your hand, then you will remember it. But when I will have this muffler, you will forget it. 1, 2, and 3. See. Do you remember your name right now? No. Right? See. And you have your name. What's your name? What's your first name? Pankul Girish. Pankul Girish. And something Shrikant. That's right? You have your name. And now it's gone. What's your name? It's gone? It's gone? I remember. You remember still? That's fine. Let's take a deep breath in. And slowly going deeper and deeper. Next time I'm going to count.